Private jets are the epitome of luxury travel. They offer an unparalleled level of comfort, convenience, and exclusivity. For the discerning few, private jet travel is not just a means to an end, it's a lifestyle. The allure of bypassing crowded terminals and long security lines is undeniable. Private jet travel allows individuals to reclaim their precious time. This exclusivity extends to every aspect of the journey, making it a truly superior travel experience. The appeal of private jets is not just about speed and efficiency, it's about experiencing travel as it should be. Effortless, luxurious, and personalized. It's about soaring above the mundane and embracing a world of unparalleled comfort and convenience. Stepping inside a private jet is akin to entering a five-star hotel suite in the sky. The plush interiors, often customized to reflect the owner's taste, exude an aura of sophistication and comfort. Spacious leather seats, often fully reclinable, invite relaxation. Advanced entertainment systems and high-speed internet connectivity ensure that passengers can work or unwind as they please. Gourmet catering, tailored to individual preferences, elevates the dining experience to new heights, whether it's a multi-course meal prepared by a private chef or a selection of fine wines and champagnes. Every culinary desire is met with meticulous attention to detail. The level of personalized service is another defining aspect of private jet travel. The difference between private and commercial flights is stark. While commercial flights often mean navigating crowded airports and enduring long waits, private aviation offers a seamless and expedited experience. Private jet passengers enjoy the privilege of arriving at the airport just minutes before departure. The absence of baggage carousels and the convenience of having luggage transported directly to the aircraft further streamline the journey. Upon arrival, passengers are whisked away to their final destination, minimizing travel time and maximizing convenience. Celebrities, business tycoons, and dignitaries frequently opt for private jets, valuing the privacy and flexibility they offer. Imagine a world-renowned musician stepping off a private jet after a concert, ready to be whisked away to their next performance without the hassle of commercial travel, or a CEO sealing a multi-million-dollar deal thousands of feet above the ground, their time maximized by the efficiency of private aviation. These anecdotes offer a glimpse into the jet-set life, where time is of the essence and luxury is the norm. Private jet travel is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing a level of freedom and exclusivity that is simply unattainable through commercial